Hello, Peter here. Today I'm going to do a re-unboxing video. So this has been opened, this has been used for about 3 months. But I want you to see how it looks inside when you buy it, okay? So, this is the package that it comes with. It's pretty small, it's something classic. And it looks quite premium in my opinion with this picture. I don't know, it's like copied from iPhone. You can see some specs here. So 10,000 milliamps, and it outputs quick charge at a maximum of 12 volts. Okay, nice. Also, you can see on the package this marking. You can scratch this. I already scratched it. Put it on the website and check if it's a real Xiaomi bank or if it has been it's a copycat from China. Let's open it. Okay. So inside you should be able to see the power bank, and here was supposed to be a cable. It is a very small cable that I lost. It's like 10 centimeters, flat cable. And yeah, basically this is it. No paperwork, no stuff to bother with, at least here in Europe. I think the paperwork that was required was printed here, like whatever information you would need. And this is the power bank. Now some specs as well on the back, the same specs. This is the I/O. It supports quick charge in and quick charge out, so it's really good for charging quick phones with quick charge. It is able to charge my Samsung Galaxy S7 about 3 times in 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Also, this is how it looks after 3 months. I think you might find this re-unboxing pretty interesting because you can see marks that it has gathered in the time that I used it. It has been thrown in a school backpack, so I didn't care that much for it, but it's aluminium. I'm pretty sure it's going to look like this after some time with everybody. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.